While you are sitting at your desk, you can always take some breaks by involving other objects that you see around you. So I'm holding my mouse here, and we can hold any object that you have in front of you as long as it's not going to spill. It will not harm you in any way. So let's start by coming into your breath, inhaling through the nose, belly rising out, and exhale through the nose or the mouth, your belly sinking in. And as you continue with the breath, let's just place that object in your hands and then softly gaze at it. As you are breathing, notice the color of this object. And then allow the object to just move around your hands, noticing all sides, all angles. And then notice also the texture of your object as it moves around your hands. And notice also if it makes a certain sound on its own or as it moves. And turn it around your hands a few more times as you breathe. Take one more breath in. Exhale, sigh it out.